So I am back at Brad's house and I'm gonna try to work on this paint a little bit. We got this spot here, it's been bondoed. I brought my little mini workshop full of crap to try to get this sanded out, try to get it leveled and try to make it look a lot better than it does. So I'm gonna start getting this sanded down. So
Brad, do you realize how much weight we got?
This looked terrible earlier, and I need to come over it with some filler putty and stuff, but it looks way better than it did. It's a lot more level. Just getting everything set up right. Hit it with a little bit of primer, kind of protect some of the bare metal and stuff. But, yep.
What?
So it's okay. So we just got the K member ready to come out, and so where's the bolts for that?
So we've got two right here, and then we have one here, one here.
Okay.
Same thing for that side. Then we got this rag joint loose from the steering shaft. Sway bar is loose on both ends. Brake lines. Got the brake lines loose.
Cool.
So this whole K member, front suspension, everything will drop out. This one big piece here in just a minute.
Oh, just when you lower the jack?
Yep, the steering shaft, everything will just drop right out of it.
Nice. If Jordan would hurry up.
I still got one more. It's okay, he can edit. He's a really good editor. I've realized it at this point.
Oh, there it is.
That right there. Steering shaft is still connected somehow. I don't know why. It should be coming out. It is trying to come out. It's just not out. It's WD-40. I might need some more WD-40 bullets.
You've been using the hell out of it on this camera.
I love WD-40. Okay?
It is some of the best.
I'll tell you what.
I tell you what.
I'll tell you what.
Jordan!
You what?
I asked you to pull both of the bolts!
You said all you gotta do is pull it about
Pull both bolts!
Don't fucking blame me, motherfucker.
Here it comes! That was fucking easy!
See, it was out.
We're getting domestic over here.
What if the radiator support will hold the weight of the car?
As long as Chris Ryan didn't weld it, yeah, you're good.
You don't have to edit that part.
No, I'm not.
No, we can pull a Chris Ryan.
That's
zip in.
You don't have to edit that part.
What's that? What was the comment about the cage?
That is half welded.
It's half welded, and that Chris Rye probably fucking welded this.
Yeah, Chris Ryan.
And you know what's crazy?
Yeah, don't go to Chris's Auto Body Shop in Piperton, Tennessee.
No.
Unless you want your car put back together with sheet metal screws and zip ties.
No, you know what's crazy? Somebody
What?
commented on that video saying that their car had a bunch of overspray on it. My Mustang had a shit ton of overspray on it. Do y'all not, Brad, do you remember me coming over here and we're trying?
By the way, we're really mad at this guy because he got over on me, him, and like a bunch of other of our friends.
Oh, nice. Just, you know, totally.
We don't need that where we're going.
Great here.
There's so much room now.
So much room for activities.
So much room for activities.
Want to do karate in the garage?
Yeah.
What's your favorite non-pornographical magazine to jerk off to?
Did we just become best friends? Yup. So now we
K-members out now what? We got to drill. So we got 24 things
Just
to
so
drill
it's
out.
know, we're not sponsored by DeWalt, but we sure do like their products.
One and never gave
Because I
it.
don't know how to operate a drill. Oh, God. Yeet. Yeet.
Break your fucking.
Edit. Nope. I gotta go bigger with the holes. Bigger drill, man.
Bigger holes. God damn, that thing's huge.
I know.
That doesn't. Oh yeah! Don't hit me.
Why don't you ignore? Oh. Be quiet for a minute. I gotta turn it up.
Thank you for calling Carnival Abortion Clinic. You knock it up, we knock it out. This is Jordan. How may I help you?
Y'all are crazy.
Carnival Sperm Bank, you whack it, we pack it. This is Jordan. How may I help you?
That was Jordan.
Bro, there's metal shavings in my shoe and it kind of hurts.
I'm trying to get all these wires figured out, and
All this is pretty much trash.
yeah, we just cut all the vacuum lines for the HVAC system.
Music around here.
So race car. It's hot. She looks so good.
I'm helping.
Why does this spray paint look so good?
But when it dries, it's gonna look just like this.
Well, I sprayed some on the back earlier until it dried. I sprayed that like 3 hours ago.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
That's what it looks like.
You want to get the back of this?
Okay, Brad, what are we doing tomorrow? Take 2, because Jordan was playing music and I'm not getting copyrighted.
So pretty much, K-member, control arms, some SN95 spindles. So we're gonna do 5 lug on the front, and pretty much that'll be it for tomorrow.
Cool.
And then we'll try to start on the motor this weekend. Try to get cam bearings, crate bearings, get all that machine work done. Then we'll have we'll get the heads done. I need to get the valves lap. Might even get them ported. So we'll see.
Neat.
We'll just see how it goes. We got 30 days, so I don't know.
Yes, sir. Time's a ticking.
Yep.
And so this is day
2.
2.
Day 2.
We're already at this point. Already got the K member out and everything.
Found some more spiders.
Ready
Found
to
some more
rock.
spiders.
More spiders. We got a lot of spider friends.
And we do have power too. I figured out the harness.
Yup.
So
Hooked a battery up to it earlier.
the battery
All the
up.
lights work.
Yep.
Well,
third
did.
signals. The only thing is I don't have a key for the car, so I don't have to. I mean, I'll be on an ignition switch, but I can't get the key. I haven't jumped anything to actually check the signals and stuff. But the flashers work, headlights work, stuff like that, and the door chime even works.
Does it really?
Yeah.
I didn't hear the door
Like,
chime. That's
there
awesome.
dings at you, so.
It's funny because everything looks like that.
Well,
Yeah, a bunch of stuff works.
Yeah.
So,
I'm figuring it out slowly.
That's
I
awesome.
haven't really messed with the Foxbody harness, so.
yes, sir. It's looking great. Hey, Jordan. You get me. So, we took a buffer to this paint. Do you know if this is the original paint? Mm-hmm. It is the original paint? Okay, so 32-year-old paint.
1988.
We took a buffer to it, and you can still see that there's still some stuff in here, but it looks so much compared to this dull, stuff over here. Now it's a lot glossier over here. It looks a lot better. We're far from people who are able to do proper paint corrections, but this is looking a lot better. This is literally using AutoZone special little turtle wax rubbing compound.